हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू हाउसी। दिस इज एकता और आज हम आए हुए हैं एट इंडियाज फर्स्ट एवर फाइनेंशियल टेक सिटी विच इज गिफ्ट सिटी, जहां पे आपको मिल रहे हैं मल्टीपल टैक्स बेनिफिट्स और उसी के साथ एक स्पेशल वॉक टू वर्क कंसेप्ट। और यहाँ पर काफी सारे फेमस ऑफिसेज हैं लाइक गूगल, LIC, SBI, NSE, बैंक ऑफ अमेरिका एंड मेनी मोर। तो हम करने वाले हैं यहाँ के सभी रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट्स का ओवरव्यू। अगर आप करना चाहते हैं इन्वेस्ट इन गिफ्ट सिटीज रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट्स, देन यू हैव टू स्टे ट्यून्ड अंटिल द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो, क्योंकि हम आपको बताने वाले हैं गिफ्ट सिटी के सभी रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट्स का ओवरव्यू। स्टे ट्यून्ड विद मी एकता। शिवालिक का स्काई व्यू, जिसके बारे में मैं आपको आज बताने वाली हूँ। ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है ये बनाया गया है इन अ टोटल लैंड पार्सल ऑफ 1.6 एकर्स और यहाँ पर आने वाला है एक टावर जिसमें होंगे 3 बेसमेंट प्लस ग्राउंड प्लस 34 फ्लोर्स ऑफ प्रीमियम, सुपीरियर एंड लग्जूरियस 2 and 3 BHK अपार्टमेंट्स। अब हम बात करते हैं अबाउट द लोकेलिटी। ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है ये लोकेटेड है इनसाइड गिफ्ट सिटी, ऑफ कोर्स वेरी क्लोज टू जमुनाबाई नर्सरी स्कूल। Other than that, the Gift City bypass road is only 3.2 kilometers and Gift City Club is going to be only 2 kilometers from this place. The 2 BHK would be ranging from 1582 to 1600 square feet. The 3 BHK would be ranging from 2671 square feet and the 3 BHK penthouse will be of 4329 square feet. And right now I am standing outside Shilp North Sky. This project is going to be located in the special economic zone and it is located in a total land parcel of 1.2 acres, which will have total 2 towers, which will have 4 basements plus ground plus 24 floors of premium residential apartments. Now I'm going to tell you where exactly it is located. It is located right outside or opposite Jamnabai Nursery School. The 2 BHK would be of 913 to 1042 square feet. The 3 BHK would be of 1993 square feet. And the 3 BHK penthouse would be of 2689 square feet. Soba's brand new launch that is coming up, which is already sold out, which is Avalon. But then, bhale hi ye sold out hai, let me tell you some details about it. This project was constructed in a total land parcel of 1.3 acres, which had 2 towers. Neela Vida by Neela Spaces Limited, which is located in Gift City. Now this project is going to be constructed in a total land parcel of 1 acre. It will have 1 tower which will have ground plus 33 floors of premium 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs. And this project is located very close to the East Gate main entrance and also very close to Jamnabai Nursery School, which is located right inside Gift City. The 2 BHK is of 871 square feet and the 3 BHK is of 1180 square feet. And now we are standing outside Reva by Kavyaratna Developers. This project is going to be constructed in a total land parcel of 1.66 acres, which will have 2 towers, which will have 2 basements plus ground plus 34 floors. Now let me tell you where exactly this is going to be located. This is going to be located very close to Jamnabai Nursery School and even Gift Bridge is pretty close from this area. 2 BHK 1384 to 1426 square feet, 2.5 BHK 1615 square feet, 3 BHK 1915 to 2075 square feet, and the 4 BHK would be of 3606 to 3868 square feet. right now I'm standing outside Smart Life by Sangant IPL. Now this project has already been sold out, but they have a new upcoming project which is called as the Sangant Accolade. This Sangant Accolade is going to be constructed on a total land parcel of 0.59 acres. It will have 3 basement plus ground plus 33 floors of premium 3 BHK residences. Smart Life अगर आप देखेंगे, it is located right opposite Jamnabai Nursery School, and even Sangant Accolade is going to be located in very close vicinity to Jamnabai Nursery School and all other accessibilities. The 3 BHKs are going to be ranging from 1740 to 1885 square feet. का नाम है सिबान, जिसका मतलब होता है God's gift, and that is the gift inside Gift City. Now the project is located very close to the east entrance. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैं east entrance पर हूँ. यहाँ से सिर्फ 200 मीटर पर located है United Bilcon का ये brand new project, and it is also located very close to Jamnabai Nursery School. The complete project is going to be located in a planned parcel of 2.3 acres, which will have 3 towers and it will have 34 floors on each tower. The studio apartments would be of 600 to 670 square feet. The 1 BHKs would be of 860 to 925 square feet. The 2 BHKs would be ranging from 1100 to 1350 square feet. The smart 3 BHKs would range from 1400 to 1420 square feet of carpet areas. And the commercial shops and offices can be provided on request for these as per your requirement. Now, let me tell you a little about this particular residential project which is located in Gift City over here. This project is going to be constructed on a total land parcel of 1.6 acres. It will have a total of 3 towers which will have 3 basements, ground plus 33 floors of premium luxurious 3 BHK apartments. Now let me tell you something about the location. This project is located very close to Gift Club. And also Bank of America is very close from here, and it is very close to Jamnabai Nursery School as well. 2,288 square feet. Savvy Marina. ये प्रोजेक्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट किया जाने वाला है on a total land parcel of 1.5 acres, and there will be a total of 2 towers which will have 3 basements plus ground plus 32 floors of premium 4 BHK residences. Now coming to the location part. This project is located very close to Bank of America inside Gift City. और यहाँ से Biotechnology University is just 1.9 kilometers and Gift Club is just 3.9 kilometers. Premium 4 BHK apartments over here, they would be of approximately 2,500 square feet of area.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.